coming up, he's 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 coming up. It's there.
I'm too close. No niin, vieläkin liian kaukana. No niin. This mission is very long. What are those?
Those are wooden kyakkos. Very long mission.
Yes.
All our slice dead.
Yes, but we can continue this. Now I have to learn those obstacles that are in this area.
Now for the real point of interest. Head for that lighthouse and try to find a way to sneak in.
Okay, now try to find the way to sneak in.
Okay, I'm sneaking in. That is pretty cold water, I suppose.
And this is a very long mission.
Yes. Okay. No.
Slice family jewels.
Bentley, what have you done?
Watch out. You have to sneak in from the door, I suppose. You are on a giant.
Come back later. Okay, I have to go down below. Yes.
Oh no.
Okay. That was pretty
something.
yes. Unusual. Oh my god.
That's the battery charger, but where's the battery Arpeggio's coming to pick up?
No.
It is already hidden. It is going so fast.
No. Can't Bentley just accept that? It was good enough.
Right. The entrance is barred from the inside.
Whoa, what a picture!
That was a pretty bad photo. But Bentley just accept that. Oh my god.
try to take a shot from... Oh, jump shot.
Oh, there it is.
Right. Listen in. He's mumbling to himself.
And I have to listen.
Come on, Tom. You got it in you. Those lumberjack games need some more competition, eh? What would attract the participants? Bullseye. I'll post the clockwork talons as a trophy. That should bring in the competition. Although, who am I kidding, eh? I'm gonna win just like every other year. Oh, it's tough being this tough. It sure is. Yeah.
Head back to the safe house. We need to talk about these lumberjack games.
Okay, it was a very long...
Okay, and another
very long
mission is completed. Now watch this slideshow. Oh, look.
Oh no, they are sitting over
Well, guys,
there.
John Bisson has unknowingly thrown down the gauntlet. With the clockwork talons as a trophy, we'd be fools not to participate in his lumberjack games. Fortunately, due to frequent avalanches, a log chopping guide was frozen in a wall of ice not far from our position. Sly, you're in charge of acquiring the book. I'm sure it will prove invaluable. Now, we're all aware that Arpeggio's blip is coming to pick up another battery. To sneak aboard without incident, I'd recommend we pull a Trojan horse and stow away inside the battery. However, the location of the device is still a mystery. We need some inside information. So, working together, you two will infiltrate the Moose Guard's secret RC combat club. Those guys all work in the lighthouse. If you win the battle, I'm sure they'll talk. Despite his antique mind, Jean Bisson's no fool. To keep tabs on him, we'll need to bug his house, steal the radio tags off local bears, and then jerry-rig them into a sensor array. It's a challenging set of tasks, and that blip's on its way. Let's get to work.
Okay, let's get to work.
Okay,
and
let's get to work.
We'll see you in the next episode, guys.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.